Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with you guitar interpretations, and today we're playing Unfuckwitable. It's a very easy song. We're going to be using 2 or 3 basic chords. Just make sure your guitar is a center string and put your cap on fret number 1. And we're playing the following chords. So the first chord is a D minor. And then you play, this is 1, 3, 5 on string number 1, which is the higher pitched E. So that's D minor, you strum that 4 times, it's 3 times 3, then we go to G, and then we slide from 3 to 5 to 3 again, so that's 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, okay? And then we're back. Song so that I make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for your verse and your chorus. It's the same basic chords. If you're not familiar with how to hold them, you can check out my chord video. I will leave it in the description below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel, guys, for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.